Starting by the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most kind. I am Abdul Rahman, a student of Unique English Language Sector, and I read in beginner 3. Today, I would like to share an important topic with you guys, which is about let's plus verb and how to and has to. First, listen the definition. Then I will make some example. Have let's plus verb. This structure is used to make a suggestion. Let's is a short form of let us. Have to and has to. This structure is used for obligation or necessity. Now come make to some example. Let's play cricket. It is also suggestion. I have to study hard. It is obligation or necessity. Join us for fresh classes to make a better future.